Hello everyone, this is Joe, also known as Simple Man. Got a new GoPro, want to set up my helmet. So what we have here are a few different pieces. GoPro, we have the mount that comes with the GoPro right here. We have an arm, and we have a 90-degree adapter. And of course the GoPro frame. I'll have links to all of that in the description below. So the first thing we wanted to do was go ahead and clean off the helmet and make sure that's nice and clean and find where it's going to mount. So we're looking for the place where the camera is in the center and pointing down. So that's that spot right there. Take off this backing. Find that spot again. Looks good right there, yeah? Want to give it a good press. This is going to take 24 to 72 hours to cure. That's right about the center. And while that's curing, we'll go ahead and take this piece out. Give that a nice press. And we'll replace these with M5 screws. We'll see that'll be a lot less bulky. We can set that back in there. Can you see that?
Yeah.
And we'll tighten this. Place. We want to leave this one loose because we want to leave this one with the handle because this will be removable. That's basically it. From there we'll take the microphone adapter and tuck it into this cheek pad here. Can you see in there? And have the cord for the microphone come out the back here. If you found this video helpful, please hit like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you get notified when I upload new content. With that, I'm Simple Man. Stay safe and keep it simple.